If I were to ask you, are you surprised that there's this still lingering animosity in certain corners of the political sphere towards Wall Street? That you guys are the ones who caused the crisis, not you and Goldman, but you guys collectively, you caused the near destruction of the financial system, and here we are today, and people can't forget about that.
I think people who are responsible at the center of the financial system, going back to the financial crisis, going back to the Depression, going back to throughout the history of mercantilism, have always been, have always found their moment of vilification, because people who build things, you can see it. But the people who are responsible to make sure the right things get built in the right time and the right money is spent for it, and when mistakes are made and the wrong things are built, to repossess those assets and recycle the capital, they're not always loved. So people at the center of the financial system play a very, very important role in allocation capital and allocating capital, allocating risk. But not only is their work not always appreciated, but the people who find themselves on the wrong side of that allocation have a lot of disdain for the people who are at the center of that process.